Ako si Mildred Pancho, isang TB survivor. Nung una kong nalaman ang The Consortium, sobra akong natuwa kasi ang una kong naisip, ang swerte ng mga TB patients ngayon kasi kahit magpunta sila sa private facilities para sa kanilang TB test, mas abot kaya na at mabilis pa ang resulta.
As a medical technologies, having a TB diagnostic equipment, the GeneXpert, help us to manage our time. GeneXpert MTB-RIF assay is a referral exam to other facility. Processing referral exams takes a lot of time before we can send the specimen for analysis. With the procurement of the GeneXpert systems through the consortium, processing of specimen and releasing of results became real-time.
Nakatulong ng malaki sa amin ang pagkakaroon ng GeneXpert dito sa Manila Med. Before kasi, sinisend out namin lahat ng request ng TB GeneXpert sa other referral hospital. From making cash advance, send out, and waiting for the result. Pero dahil meron na dito sa Manila Med, mas mabilis at maayos namin ang aming mga oras sa iba pang mga bagay.
As a member of the consortium, the FEU-NRMF was able to purchase the GeneXpert machine at an affordable price. The consortium also helped in facilitating the installation and setup of the equipment, the training and assessment of our analysts, and even the procurement of the cartridges we need in our operations. Moreover, the consortium has standardized the price of the test, making it affordable for our patients, which is also good in helping us attract the market.
Good thing na naging member kami ng consortium kasi nakukuha namin yung cartridges ng mas mura. So mas mura, mas mababa namin ibigay ang presyo ng TB GeneXpert sa mga pasyente. Mas mababa, mas maraming pasyente at sila ay natutuwa.
Ang presyo po ay hindi nagbabago because it is mandated by the consortium.
At Manila Med, we recognize that tuberculosis is a significant public health threat. Aside from its effects on health, such as the high number of deaths, it also poses a big financial burden on patients. Diagnosis and testing itself is really a big hurdle, and there are still a lot of undiagnosed or misdiagnosed patients. Hence, we joined the consortium because we share the same vision to increase accessibility to quality, affordable TB diagnostics in our hospital.
There are several good effects. One of the most important effect is that our case detection rate increased. We were able to increase our census. The rapidity of the diagnosis and eventual treatment of these patients became easy for us. It transcended into increased number of cases that we see monthly in this institution, especially those patients who badly need them most.
It's very convenient because it allows for ease of communication between the hospital and the consortium, and we are able to manage our procurement process efficiently. Downtime is reduced since requests are made and received 24/7 in real time.
The website helps us and the other members of the consortium in managing the procurement of cartridges and other equipment with ease. Placing and tracking our orders can now be conveniently done through this website 24/7.
Kailangan natin magtulong-tulong. Kailangan natin palawakin ang information dissemination, hindi lang ng gobyerno, kundi pati ng private sector, media, at iba pang organisasyon para mas maraming makaalam na meron palang ganitong klase ng serbisyo na ibinibigay ang mga private health facilities. Sa tingin ko, makakatulong to para makita natin lahat ang mga iba pang may sakit na TB at magamot sila kaagad.
We enjoin all private hospitals and laboratories to participate in this worthwhile endeavor and experience the benefits of membership in the consortium for your facility and ultimately for your patients. We owe it to them.
I encourage other laboratories to join the consortium so that we may be able to do our part and reach out to more patients.
Para sa mga ibang pasilidad na hindi pa member, in-encourage po namin kayo na maging member ng consortium para mas maraming facility, mas maraming mapupunta ng ating mga pasyente. Ito po ay hindi lang laban ng gobyerno, laban po natin pong lahat.
To our clinicians, this serves as an additional diagnostics tool to our patients to take part on the government's TB advocacy. #TB Free Philippines.